Hello everyone, welcome to Zaram Studios. I am Chong Babetel. Today I'm going to help you find the perfect PC for video editing. Whether you are just starting out or you are looking for upgrade, we cover everything between laptops and desktop. So grab your pen and let's get started. Number one thing you have to do is choosing between laptops or desktop. Laptops have its own advantages or their disadvantages, and vice versa for the desktop. So laptops are good for mobility, but desktop are not good for mobility. Laptops disadvantages are that you can't upgrade their specifications, but for desktop you can upgrade both the RAM, the ROM, the graphics card. But for laptops you can't upgrade the graphics card and others. So the number two thing you have to do or look at for specifications is, number two thing you have to check is your RAM. The RAM you are using depends on what files you are handling. The bigger the RAM, the bigger files you can handle. So we can use a minimum of 16 gig of RAM for video editing, but normally at 32 gig of RAM to handle bigger files. The number three thing you have to do is checking your storage, that is your ROM. So you have to use at least 256 gig SSD and 1 terabyte of HDD to store your projects. The next thing you have to check, which is the most important, is your graphics card. Your graphics card depends on how crucial the laptop is, and especially for editing high resolution or working with effects. You have to use a minimum of 4 gig dedicated graphics card to start, but 8K is more better for 4K editing and effects heavy work. Other importance are you have to buy a better display if you are using a display that supports up to 4K. I hope you got value from this video. Subscribe and follow for more tips. Thank you.